Contact lenses versus eyeglasses. Which one is best for you? I'm your Eyeland Angel Nastashia, and I have you covered. Eyeglasses offer many benefits over contact lens. They require very little cleaning and maintenance. You don't need to touch your eyes to wear them, decreasing your risk of eye infection. And the glasses are cheaper than contact lens in the long run, since you don't need to replace them as often. Also, eyeglasses can do something contact lenses cannot do. They can adjust the amount of light entering your eyes for optimum comfort and vision. Specifically photochromic lens. They are clear indoors and at night, and darken automatically in the sun for clear comfort vision in any light. Although some contact lenses can block some UV lights from entering the eye, photochromic eyeglasses block 100% UV and protect not only the inside of the eye from the UV, but also the exterior of the eye and eyelid as well. Eyeglasses also can act as an extension of your personality and can make a great fashion statement. These are some advantages of wearing eyeglasses. Wearing glasses reduces the need to touch your eyes, which in turn reduces the likelihood of irritating your eyes or developing an eye infection. If you have dry or sensitive eyes, eyeglasses won't exacerbate the problem like contact lenses can. Eyeglasses generally are cheaper than contact lens. Over the long term, you don't need to replace them as often unless you break them. And if your prescription changes over time, you may be able to keep your current frame and just replace the lenses. Frames are fashionable, and you can speak volume about your personality and style. The look of your eyeglasses can make a bold statement. Glasses offer some protection from environmental factors such as the wind, dust, and also debris. Disadvantages of contact lens. Some people have trouble applying contact lenses to their eyes, but proper technique and practice should rectify this in most cases. Contacts reduce the amount of oxygen entering your eye and can cause or increase the severity of dry eye symptom. If you work around the computer often, wearing contact lenses will likely contribute to symptoms of computer vision syndrome. Contacts require proper lens care and lens case cleaning each day to avoid potentially serious eye infection. If you can't commit to care and recommended replacement cycle for your contact lens, consider daily disposables. If you accidentally fall asleep while wearing your contact lens, your eyes typically will be dry, gritty, red, and irritated when you wake up. If you find yourself frequently falling asleep with your contact lens in, consider extended wear contact lenses. Some extended wear contact lenses are approved for up to 30 days for continuous wear. Follow us for more content like this.